Good morning, guys. I thought I'd try and catch the sunlight before it disappears this morning. I think I was just in time. Is that going to go any more? Clean the dust. Give it a bit of help. Nope, the sun's just disappearing. Right, kettle's boiled, I'll carry on getting the breakfast. Sun's moved round a bit, breakfast is nearly ready, and we've got just enough sunlight on the edge of the counter. Let's move that out of the way. Just caught it in time again, didn't I? Oh. Now that one's blocked. So that's just the edge of the sun coming through. Another couple of minutes and it'll have moved round and it won't be there at all. Don't know if you can hear that one. So that one's just a direct drive off the solar panels straight into the motor, whereas that one's a geared drive. Oh, I'm glad I caught that. Just on the corner of the house again, up there. Oh, I'm blocking it. Oh dear. How silly. Oh, that'll do. That's it. Show's over. Sun's moved round. It's just on the corner there. All in a matter of about 10 minutes. So I can go back out. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do.
Thank you for watching.